Today's a super big day. I just got back from the Leica store here in Los Angeles where I upgraded my M system to the M11. That second glance was just for me because I still can't believe it's real. I thought I would just do a quick little, very quick unboxing to see what the M11's all about. Let's do it. Here it is, the whole spread. The Mac Daddy herself. I got a thumb support grip, which is already on the camera actually. And then I got an extra battery because it definitely will need that. And then let's see. We have some pamphlets, of course, the guides, all the things here. Inside, and here she is. What a beaut. Like I said, we already got the thumb grip on, and I hadn't put the screen protector on me, so I guess I cheated a little bit, but pretty slick little friend. Obsessed already compared to my very beat up poor M240. It will be a very much needed upgrade. And then yeah, in here in the box it looks like I have the USB-C cable, looks like I have a battery, which I have two of. The charger's really sleek and compact, and it has the USB-C port there. I have some other little accessories. Oh, that's the camera strap. And then this baggie. Oh yeah, they told me it has an extra hot shoe. Oh no, universal port charger, so I can take this with me. Oh yeah, cool. And then another cable there. And then, oh yeah, so I have all the, okay, cool, great. So that's what we got. Here we go, all the things. Oh, it also comes with 1 year free digital membership, which is always great to have. Camera strap, battery, charger, USB-C. The wall unit, they have the US and the EU adapter, the battery itself, port cable for that, the photos accessory cable, thumb support, extra battery, moist cleaning cloth, and all for this little one. Super briefly, battery, here we go. Pop it in to the USB-C ports. Because I'm currently in the US, here we go here. It's ready to go, and I will plug this guy in. And so I definitely want to keep this video brief, but while I have your attention, I just wanted to do a quick first impressions of the M11 now that I have it home. It, it feels just like the M I know and love. I love, having the thumb grip on it. It feels so familiar and cozy to me. Really sleek, it's missing the base plate. It doesn't have that anymore. It has the battery. I went ahead and put the battery in just to feel the weight difference. It's just only a couple ounces smaller than the M240. The paint looks really damn slick. I did confirm with the Q2 in the store that it is prone to chipping, so not just my fault. The Q2 kind of has a shitty paint job, but this one I really feel confident that it'll hopefully stay really nice over the years. I do use my Leicas a lot, shooting weddings and various things. I'm constantly using my gear, so it gets more wear and tear, but hopefully this should stay good for me. I actually go to Scotland next week, so I need to spend some time familiarizing myself and learning some of the shortcuts on this guy. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll talk to you later.